Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and stability. Make sure battery is at least 50% and the camera is on a tripod or supported. Inspect the lens mount for debris and confirm model and firmware version so you know available adjustments. Next, reproduce the issue. Frame a clear target, note whether the lens front focuses, back focuses, or hunts, and listen for unusual motor noise. Once done, set camera to single-point AF, single-shot mode, and a medium aperture to isolate focus behavior. You now perform precise adjustments. Start in live view and use focus magnification to confirm focus plane. This shows whether contrast or phase detect AF is misaligned. If your body has AF micro-adjust, make small increments and retest. If not, use lens service menu or note correction values. Test at 3 distances and apertures: close, mid, and far, wide open, and stop down. Make incremental changes, recording results each time. This methodically isolates whether issue is lens, camera, or shooting technique. Finish by applying the correction that consistently produced sharp focus. Save AF micro-adjust values per focal length if supported. If the problem remains, swap the lens to another body and try another lens on your body to identify the faulty component. Make sure contacts are clean and firmware is current before concluding hardware failure. If you still see inconsistent results, consider professional optical calibration or repair. One key tip: repeat tests after a cool-down period. Thermal shift can change focus behavior and mask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.